1965 230 SL Titan restoration, Restomod. So on the surface, it looks very much like a completely stock 113 1965 230 SL. All the way down to the badging as well, the exhaust as well. When we go inside the car, however, the interior looks just like you would expect a 230 SL to look. All the gauges, all of the interior, the dash, the cluster. It's got a retro radio, that's why you see this little USB to iPhone cable on the bottom, and that's because it's got a retro radio. And the big difference is, I don't know if I can zoom in on it, but that is a 5-speed manual transmission. Also fitted an air conditioning system underneath the car, which is quite nice. But you're probably wondering on why is it a Restomod and what's under the hood. So let's get to that next. Under the hood, hopefully we have enough light here that we can go over it well. So this is a 103 engine. 103 engine is an engine inline 6 that you'd find typically in something like a 89 300 TE station wagon. The reason we choose these engines is primarily because ease of parts and ease of maintenance. So a lot of you don't know, but 300E engine is pretty much a bulletproof, very good, solid, robust engine. So we transfer the engine onto a modified subframe that we make in-house, and then we massage the engine a bit with the Brabus cam. That's pretty much about it. We remap the fuel curve, we add an oxygen sensor so everything is serviceable, everything works like the factory is supposed to. We build a brass radiator, not an aluminum radiator, specific for this fitment, so that so the hose locations are correct, and it's a nice thick brass radiator, easily serviced and does the job for cooling very well. We also have to add a little GPS to cable drive because the 5-speed transmission doesn't have a cable drive. It's a ZF 5-speed, and it doesn't require it. So also the tachometer is no longer cable driven. It's now it's no longer cable driven. That's also run with an electronic sensor, so the speedometer has to be changed as well. So that's under the hood. You probably want to hear it. So let's get to that next. Radio and Bluetooth audio mode. Let's get some cold air blowing in here. Very pleasant sound. Thank you for watching.